Welcome to Skill Enhancement courses under UGCF 2022. Today we will unveil the Skill Enhancement courses. Developing Sustainability Plans for a Business. It is 2 credits course. In this course, we will cover practical or hands-on exercises like determine strategies to reduce carbon footprint and improve supply chain efficiency of an organization. Assess the current status of renewable energy use and investment, and develop strategies to become carbon negative in the next decade. Identify opportunities for sustainable alternatives for an environmental cause that aligns well with the organizational goal, and areas of philanthropic investments. Analyze material use at different stages of organizational process, based on a set of sustainable principles, and suggest environment-friendly alternatives to reduce waste. Calculate the water footprint of the organization, and develop methods for mindful water consumption to improve human health and reduce the economic cost. Examine the current status of infrastructure with respect to the energy-efficient lighting system, and evolve strategies for shifting to 100% renewable energy. Determine the ecological impact of current infrastructure, using guiding principles of LEED, leadership in energy, and environmental design, certification, and identify areas for biophilic design, green spaces, and work conditions. Optimize to reduce waste by improved methods of handling and disposing of waste. Develop guidelines for eco-friendly transportation to reduce fuel usage and maximize route efficiency. Eco-innovation in developing energy alternatives and providing solutions to complex environmental challenges. Document the biological wealth, especially plants, insects, and birds, of an organization, and develop the green design to maintain and enrich the biological wealth. Teaching and learning interface for practical skills, to impart training on technical and analytical skills related to the course objectives. A wide range of learning methods will be used, including laboratory practicals, fieldwork exercises, customized exercises based on available data, survey analyses, and developing case studies, demonstration and critical analyses, and experiential learning individually and collectively. Prospective sectors: environmental consultancies, sustainability advisors, all multinational large-scale industries, and environmental NGOs. Hope it's helpful.